Alright, today I'm going to show you a fabulous new 69 Camaro that just came in. And when I say new, it's just like brand new. Finished beautifully in tuxedo black paint, Z28 white stripes, the stripes everybody loves. This car has just been put through an entire nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Absolutely gorgeous show and go Camaro. Riding on beautiful 17-inch torque thrusts right there. Low profile brand new radials. Cal induction hood. The fit and finish on this car are exceedingly nice. The underneath is painted and powder coated to absolute show standards. Stripes are under the clear, you can't even feel them. Not a numbers matching style car at all. I'll show you why. But built to higher standards than you could have bought it from your Chevrolet dealer in 1969. Absolutely gorgeous interior as well. The ever popular houndstooth interior. And everything you're seeing in this video is new, or exactly like new. Beautiful show quality dash. Rosewood steering wheel. The best of the best. Oh yeah, your factory gauges, console gauges there. Hurst shifted, 4-speed, factory console. Of course, your tachometer is in the dash over there. Let's take a peek over on the other side. There you go, right there, your speedometer. 140 mile an hour speedometer. Certainly appropriate for this beast. And your tachometer right there. Nice little stereo. Nothing fancy, but nice and new. Plays nice. I'm going to shoot the camera under the car for a second, just to give you an idea of the quality. Let me turn the light on for you. There we go. Everything new. Of course, all your brake lines, fuel lines, exhaust system, floors, subframe, they all look like brand new on the car. New, new, new. All right, let's take a peek under the hood. Then we'll fire this beast up for you. There it is right there. Beautifully built, fresh. 200 to 300 miles on the entire restoration of this car. So you got power disc brakes. It does have power steering. Heavy duty aluminum radiator with a huge electric fan. Keep this beauty cool in the summertime. Serpentine belt system. All billet aluminum pulleys. The best of the best of the best. Even though they're painted, I checked them last night. These are Brodix aluminum heads, high performance heads. Not sure of the brand of this polished aluminum intake. Obviously high performance. 900 CFM Holley carburetor. 950 actually. And brand new ceramic coated headers. All right. 577 cubic inches. This is a tall deck Chevrolet big block, bored and stroked to 577 cubic inches, pushing out an estimated 750 horsepower and over 700 foot-pounds of torque. This is a monster motor. This is not for the faint of heart and not for a young kid. Someone needs to drive this with respect, because this car is seriously fast. I just drove it. It's amazing. Couple things that we suggest that we'd like to do to the car. Number one is frame rail connectors. Whenever you're building this kind of horsepower and this kind of torque in a unibody car, you need a frame to hold the car from twisting. So that's what the frame rail connectors do, and we plan on doing that here to this car. I would also suggest traction bars. You can start off in third gear and just light them up at will in this car. So spinning the tires is not the difficulty. Keeping them from spinning would be the challenge. We can do that. Why don't we start this beautiful beast up? That's Richie Rich. Let's hear the nice little rumble in the back. Again, the paint quality, everything on this car is show quality. And the neat thing about this car is if you drive it sensibly, it's just a really nice driving car. Power steering, power disc brakes make it a pleasure. The 4-speed is fun. And most people are going to assume this is a stock SS396. Well, it's not. It is bad, it is beautiful, and it is for sale here at Fleming's Ultimate Garage. If you have an interest in this absolutely show and go quality 69 Camaro, give me a call. My name is Jeff Whitaker. You can reach me at 410-562-9319. Oh yeah. Nice.